Dear student, good morning. Today we start a very first chapter of class 11 chemistry, some basic concept of chemistry. So first topic is fundamental units. It is a unit is defined as the standard of reference to chosen to measure any physical quantity, example mass, length, time, etc. These are independent units and cannot be derived from any other units. Example, you cannot convert into mass into length, or not you cannot obtain time into length. So these are considered as a fundamental unit. There are 7 fundamental unit. You can read on the next topic. So the second one topic is derived units. The units for other quantities can be derived from fundamental units. They are known as a derived unit. For example, velocity, density, etc. In a case of velocity, the formula of velocity is equal to displacement upon time. So displacement similar to distance. So distance is another fundamental unit and time is another type of a fundamental unit. So those unit we can get by the fundamental units we are using, so known as a derived unit. Student, the next topic is SI units. SI word is acronym or abbreviated. It is a French name, Système International. So 7 basic fundamental units have 7 independent SI units. So student, in a tabular form you have seen these are 7 basic fundamental units. First one, length, mass, time, thermodynamic temperature, electric current, luminous intensity and amount of substance. These are 7 basic fundamental units and they have 7 independent SI units. For example, length, the SI unit is meter, and mass, the SI unit is kilogram, time, SI unit is second, thermodynamic temperature, their SI unit is Kelvin, electric current, their SI unit is ampere, luminous intensity, their SI unit is candela, and amount of substance, their SI unit is mole. So you can learn easily. So 7 basic fundamental unit and 7 independent SI unit specific. So they have a specific symbol. In a case of SI unit you can learn easily. Meter, the symbol is small m, kilogram kg, second S, Kelvin capital K letter, ampere is a capital A letter, candela CD. Not write CD, it's a symbol of cadmium, so you write CD in a symbolic form, mole, mol. In a science, common prefixes used in SI systems because some unit are lower than 1 unit means 1 and some unit are greater than 1. So first we take the multiple which is smaller than 1. For example, if the value is 10 to the power minus 1, so we use prefix deci. Their symbol is small d letter. 10 to the power minus 2, the prefix we use centi, the symbol is small c. 10 to the power minus 3, prefix is milli, their symbol is small m. 10 to the power minus 6, prefix is micro we use and the symbol is mu. 10 to the power minus 9, prefix is used nano and symbol is small n. 10 to the power minus 12, prefix is pico and symbol is p. For example, 1 picometer. So pico we use small p, meter for small m. So 1 pm is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. In similar, if we say nanosecond, so we use 1 ns, n for nano, s for second is equal to 10 to the power minus 9, s means second. So student, the another type is multiple which are greater than value 1. For example, 10 to the power 1 if the value is greater than 1. So we use multiple 10 to the power 1, prefix is used deca and symbol is dA. 10 to the power 2, prefix use hecto, symbol is h. 10 to the power 3, prefix is used kilo, symbol is small k. 10 to the power 6, mega is prefix and symbol is capital M letter. 10 to the power 9, prefix is giga and symbol is capital G. 10 to the power 12, prefix is used tera and symbol is capital T. In most of the cases you read, student, for example 1 kilometer. So kilo we use K and meter for dimensions km is equal to 10 to the power 3 meter. For example mega, 1 mega second ms, so it is equal to 10 to the power 6 second. So this type of table are greater than the value of 1 unit, so they are greater prefixes. Dimensional analysis. Conversion of unit is frequently necessary to convert one set of units to another in calculations. This can be done by a factor level method or unit factor method. For example, convert 25.6 meter into centimeter. So student, keep this thing in your mind. Always be the desired value you put on the numerator side, means in a fraction value you can write on the above side in a fraction. So in this question 25.6 meter convert into centimeters, centimeter desired value, and you know easily, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 25.6 meter multiply in a fractional value 100 centimeter upper side desired value, 1 meter is a below side. So meter are close to meter, means cancel, and 25.6 multiply 100, then it is equal to 2560 centimeter. Student, by this method, dimensional analysis, you can convert a big unit into a small unit or a small unit into big unit. So these are very useful, and the many NCERT questions are based on this. So then we come on to the next step. In NCERT book, question 1.26 is based on the dimensional analysis. The question is, convert the following into basic units. First question is 28.7 picometer. So student, picometer is not a basic unit. The basic unit is meter. Second case, 15.15 micrometer. So this one is converted into the microsecond. Third one is a 25,365 milligram. So you convert, milligram is not a basic unit. Basic unit is a gram. So you convert into the gram. So in the first case, the 28.7 picometer. So student, 28.7 picometer, 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. So 28.7 picometer multiplied by 10 to the power minus 12 divided by 1 picometer. Picometer is cancelled to picometer. After the multiplication, the basic unit answer is 2.87 10 to the power minus 11 meter. Second segment, 15.15 microsecond. And microsecond is not a basic unit. Second is a basic unit. And in a 1 microsecond, there is 10 to the power minus 6 second. So the second is a desired value, you put on the upper side. 15.15 microsecond multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6 and divided by 1 microsecond. So answer is 1.515 into 10 to the power minus 5 second. In a third segment, it is milligram convert into basic unit grams. So milligram first you convert into the gram, and then second step gram convert into kilogram. So 25,365 milligram multiply by 1 gram has 1000 milligram. So 1 gram has desired value, put on the upper side, and 1000 milligram is a denominator side, milligram cancel to milligram. Then you put the 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, kilogram is a desired value, so 1 kilogram is upper side and divided by 1000 gram. So after the multiplication, the answer is 2.5365 into 10 to the power minus 2 kilogram. So by this formula you can solve the questions easily.